What's up, everyone? Welcome. My name is Thandi Linkosi. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some dermaplaning. Right now we're going to be grabbing a brand new razor. I got this razor from Healthyskin. You can get this from any Healthyskin that is near you if you're in South Africa. For me, it's always important to always go in with a brand new razor to eliminate any infections. So the next step that I'm going to be going in with is an oil. You can grab any kind of oil that is right near your disposal. I'm going in with my Dermalogica pre-cleansing oil. This for me is like a double cleansing step. I go in very generously with an oil and I make sure that I coat each and every part of my skin. Wherever the blade is supposed to go, I coat that very well. So with my mirror in hand, forgive me, don't mind me, I'm going to be facing downward just because there's a mirror so that I can see where I need to shave, okay? Don't forget your tissue to wipe your issues. Please be gentle and very careful when handling sharp objects. I don't want you to cut yourself, okay? Unfortunately, I won't be showing you any products that I use post dermaplaning in order to take care of my skin. However, if you are needing such a video, please like this video and let's try and get it to 100 likes. I will make a video that shows you what to do post dermaplaning and what products to use to make sure that your skin is always looking super fly. Ever since I've begun dermaplaning, I've seen major difference in my skin's texture and appearance. Here's a couple of reasons why you also need to try it. Now, since dermaplaning is a form of exfoliant, here are a couple of reasons why you shouldn't overdo it. Always be mindful to use a very, very light hand. Don't harden your hand. Please do not treat this video as a how to groom your brows video. This is just literally to show you how I dermaplane. But if you do want such a video, a brow tutorial on how I basically glue my brows, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. At the end, look at all this gunk. Ew, disgusting. It's time for us to go and have a quick wash and we will return. And we are right at the end. Look at our baby skin glow, glow, glow. If you like the video, please click the like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification down there so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you for joining us on Perfectly Imperfect Me. I'll see you next time. Perfect skin, perfect mindset, perfect me, and perfect you. Until next time, goodbye and God bless.